Interact with BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant in BMW Operating System 8.5 and 9 to get direct access to key features of your BMW. On the home screen, swipe through the widgets to the Intelligent Personal Assistant widget to see sample commands and smart suggestions for additional functions. Select the widget to enter the menu. In the overview, you can view more suggestions for how to use the assistant and discover your BMW. There's a detailed list of example commands, further tips, and you can deactivate or activate the wake-up word in order to talk to the assistant without pushing a button. Go to Settings to enhance your Intelligent Personal Assistant performance and experience by activating online speech processing, data analysis, and choosing which visualization the assistant appears with, such as a Harmonious or Expressive visualization. For enhanced results, your Intelligent Personal Assistant needs a good vehicle data connection. The assistant displays readiness to help. For the driver,
Hey BMW, bring me home.
All right, let's go.
or the passenger.
Hey BMW, turn on seat heating.
I will activate the seat heating for the front passenger.
Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.